Welcome back to another video of the Pandas tutorial series. In this section, we will look at data frame data structure in Pandas. Let us now look at creating data frame from a list. First, let us create a data for our list. To convert the list to a data frame, we can just pass the list to a data frame function. We can now print the output to see the contents of our data frame. Now say that we want to add a column date of birth for our entries. To do this, we'll create a list containing the date of birth of the people in a data frame. We can give a column name for this and add the data to our data frame as follows. To see the modified data frame, we can just type in data frame list df1. As we can see, the modified data frame now contains the date of birth of the people. To check the data type of the columns in a data frame, we can use the info method. When we examine the data type, we can see that the data type of the date of birth column is shown as object. We want this to be in a datetime format. To convert the data type of the column from an object to a datetime format, we can use toDateTime function. This function will convert the data type of the column from object to datetime format. To check the data type, we can type in list df1.info once more, and as we can see, the data type of the column is modified to datetime format. Let us now look at creating a data frame from a series. To create a data frame from a series, let us create two series. The first series indicates the population of the country in millions, and the second series indicates the area of the country in million square kilometers. We can now create a data frame, country df, by passing both the series into the data frame and assign column names to the series. Our data frame has been created and we can print the data frame to see the output. In the previous section, we had seen how to obtain the largest and smallest value from a column in a data frame. Let us now look at some more statistical functions on data frame. To get the maximum value from a column in a data frame, we can use the function max, country df.max. This returns a maximum value in each column. To obtain the minimum value, we can type in country df.min. Similarly, we can use the mean function to obtain the mean, and standard deviation function to obtain the standard deviation. That brings us to the end of this video. Hope you got an idea about the different operations using Pandas library. Please leave a like and hit the subscribe button if you found this video useful. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.